talking of things done by. A conversation takes place between the teacher and students about actions that are done by different people, like the fields are plowed by the farmer, or the ball is kicked by the boy, and so on through question answers. This is followed by pieces of conversation between a few pairs of students in the lines given below. By whom are you taught at school?
We are taught at school by teachers.
What are you taught by your games teacher?
We are taught to play different games by our games teacher.
By whom is cricket played?
Cricket is played by a team of players.
By whom are your notebooks checked?
Our notebooks are checked by our teachers.
By whom was the food cooked at home?
Food was cooked at home by my mother.
By whom is the bell rung in the school?
The bell is rung in the school by the peon.
By whom were vegetables bought?
Vegetables were bought by my father.
By whom are the letters delivered?
The letters are delivered by the postman.
By whom was the letter written?
The letter was written by my brother.
By whom were the toys broken?
The toys were broken by the children.
Pictures are displayed and the conversation based on the pictures takes place between two different students.
By whom are the clothes being washed?
The clothes are being washed by the washerman.
By whom are the fish being caught?
The fish are being caught by the fishermen.
By whom is the lesson being taught?
The lesson is being taught by the teacher.
By whom is the book being read?
The book is being read by a child.
By whom is a song being sung?
A song is being sung by a girl.
By whom are the flowers being plucked?
The flowers are being plucked by the children.
By whom is the ball being kicked?
The ball is being kicked by the boy.
By whom is the luggage being carried?
The luggage is being carried by the coolie.
By whom is the bus being driven?
The bus is being driven by the driver. The teacher briefs the children about making simple sandwiches. Therefore, she writes down the steps for making sandwiches on the blackboard. Two students are made to talk on how sandwiches are made. What is done to the tomatoes to make sandwiches?
First, tomatoes are washed properly.
Then
they are cut into thin slices.
Where are the cut tomatoes kept?
The cut tomatoes are kept on a plate.
What is sprinkled on these tomatoes?
Salt is sprinkled on these tomatoes.
Is anything else that is sprinkled on them?
Yes, pepper.
Fine. Now what is done to the bread?
Butter is applied and spread on the two slices of bread.
What is done to the cut tomatoes?
The cut tomatoes are spread on one of the buttered slices.
What is done next?
The second buttered slice is placed on it and pressed gently.
Is it over?
No, not yet.
Go on.
The sandwich is cut nicely into two and then served or had.
Why is it cut into two?
It is cut into two because then one can hold it more easily while eating it.
The teacher asks the children about the process of washing white cotton clothes. The steps of the procedure are written on the blackboard. Two students are made to talk how white cotton clothes are washed. What is first done to the dirty white cotton clothes to wash? All the dirty white cotton clothes are collected. What is done next? A mixture of hot water and soap is made. What is done to the dirty clothes? Dirty clothes are soaked in the soap mixture. How long are the clothes soaked? The clothes are soaked for 2 to 3 hours. What is done to the clothes now? Clothes are taken out and are scrubbed with a brush where necessary. How is the soap in the clothes washed off? The clothes are rinsed in running water and thus the soap is washed off. What is done to the clothes before drying them?
The clothes are squeezed and hung and spread for drying.